Russell. All right. This thing's complicated. A little bit of a puzzle, make your brain work. A little late night fucking quarantine. By the way, I've totally fucking lost track of quarantine. I mean, I think I told you, I thought it was 2021 for real. I have no idea what day of the week it is. I have no idea what's going on. I just sit and fucking get fat watching my stocks go down. Are we getting a suit? Looks like we're getting a fucking suit. All right. How do you get this thing off the pole? That's what she said. Get it? Like stripper pole? Dude, this box is putting a whooping on me. This box is fucking putting a whooping on me. That's what she said. Again, you can play there. Come on, you motherfucker. I don't want to ruin whatever the fuck. I mean, obviously it's a jacket. Mark Russell. Dave. You're the best dressed man on the internet. Enjoy this jacket and pizza cufflinks. Mark Russell? All right, let's see what we fucking got. Mark Russell. I'm going. Everyone chill the fuck out. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. This hand, Hall of Fame stuff. It is in shambles. Bloody. You go, look at my sheets. If you go look at the sheets in my house, they were white. I washed them. Blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere. That's the life of an unboxing man. You just have blood everywhere. This thing's gonna be way too hot. It's like wool. I'm actually, sleeves a little short. I'm generally like a 42 regular, like perfect. Not bad. Pizza cufflinks. Kind of want to see the pizza cufflinks. Oh yeah, pizza cufflinks. The YouTube people. All right, take this off so I don't sweat to death. Is that a package or an open? That's an open.